So, as we all know, AI is one of the most popular topics in the world right now, and it's been like this for a while. People are using AI to create art, music, and even to do their assignments and write papers. Well, today I'm going to tell you about a company and an app that can help you to create very interesting AI images, videos, and even enhance the pictures and videos that you already have. Let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about the HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer application, and HitPaw is a company that is specialized in AI. Their aim is to provide effective tools for everyone basically, and through their application you are able to customize your pictures and create new versions of them. You're able to enhance your photos and you're able to create artwork. Now I know I've just been blabbering and talking, but let's get into the application and you'll see the results for yourself. And many thanks to HitPaw for sponsoring today's video. So first things first, you're going to want to download the HitPaw Photo Enhancer application from your Play Store or App Store. And once that's done and you've set it up, then the fun begins. At the bottom, you will notice 3 tabs: the Home tab, the AI Style tab, and then the Creation tab. So let's start with the AI Style tab because I think that's the most exciting part. Here at the top, you're going to see 3 categories: AI Portrait, AI Video, and AI Art. So let's start with the AI portraits. And seeing as Halloween is coming up, there are a lot of Halloween themed templates for you to play around with. Let's take a look at the Black Hero, for example. And for this template, I'm gonna use a picture of Andre Onana because if you watch the Manchester United match, then you know that he was our Black Hero basically. And once you give the AI a couple of seconds to create the photo, then you can see the results. And it looks really good. I mean, you can also change the background and other things by tapping on the different variations at the bottom. And even if you zoom in, you would be able to see that it is accurate, but still very creative. So you can use this for your Halloween posts on social media like Instagram or Twitter, X, or TikTok. Okay, let's try one more. So going through the various templates we have, I think I like this one called the Dark Hatter. And for this particular AI portrait, we're going to be using a photo of none other than the GOAT himself, Lord Harold Maguire. Same as before, once you give the AI a couple of seconds to create the portrait, then you'll see the results. And this is actually really impressive. At the bottom, there are also different variations for you to choose from. Here you can see that the outfit is different, the pose is different, the hat is different, and you can choose between up to 4 different variations of the AI portrait. So whichever one suits you best, you can choose that and then download it, or you can download all 4 if you like all of them. Next up is the AI video section, and here you can choose between different styles. There is a futuristic robotic style, there is this sort of fantastical fantasy style, there's even a lo-fi anime style if that's the type of vibe you're going for. And once you choose the style you want, you can load in a picture or a video and then let the AI do its magic. So let's give the video some time to process and then we'll check in on it later through the Creation tab. Right now, we're going to take a look at some of the other features that we can get on the application. But before we do that, if you've been enjoying the video this far, then a subscription to the channel would be amazing. Now, as for the third tab, which is the AI Art tab, there are a lot of different art styles here as well. So we're going to choose one of these styles, and for this one, I'm going to use a picture of one of the greatest football managers ever, and that is Jose Mourinho. Now, admittedly, this isn't the highest resolution picture, it's actually quite bad, but we'll give the AI a couple of seconds to take a look at it, and then it's going to generate a really cool animated picture. And voila, just take a look at this. I mean, the result speaks for itself. This is a really cool, really fun picture, and it kind of captures the arrogance in Jose's eyes. Aside from that, it has a really cool artsy background. It's something kind of mystical or fantastical, and then it also looks really clean and high definition. Okay, now let's try one more, but we're going to use my picture this time. And giving the AI a couple of seconds, here is the result. Okay, now this one looks a little more cartoony and silly because my hair definitely doesn't look that good in real life, but I kind of like the facial expression and the little stubble that it gave me. Of course, the skin tone should be a couple of shades darker. I mean, this is flattering, but I'm not that light skinned. Anyway, there are other variations I can choose from as well, and whichever one looks good, I think I will just download it and I can upload this to my Instagram story or anywhere else. Now, if we go back to the Creation tab and take a look at the video, we will realize that it's done processing and we can finally watch it. Taking a look at the video, we can see that it actually went with the futuristic theme that we were going for with robots and flying cars and things like that. and it even has some music that suits the theme. So you can play around with this and just have some fun, create some interesting videos to post on TikTok or on Instagram. Aside from the AI portraits, AI videos, and other fun features, the HitPaw Photo Enhancer app also has the ability to renew or enhance your old photos with some very useful tools. If we go back to the Home tab, we can see the AI Enhancer feature. Now, this is one of the main features of the app. And if we try this out now, I'm going to use the picture of Jose Mourinho that I used earlier. And if I zoom in, you can see it's definitely not a high resolution image. But once I tell the AI to enhance it and give it a couple of seconds, you can see from the result that this looks like a completely different image. It is so much sharper, it is so much clearer, and it looks like a completely brand new image. Now, it's crazy to think that this AI was powerful enough to identify the parts of the image that needed to be sharpened, that the noise needed to be reduced, and so on, and it produced this great image. There are also other effects like remove object, beauty, colorize, de-scratch, but then the effect that really caught my eye is the animate effect. Now, this is going to take a photo and give it some animation. So let's check this out. I'm going to try this with a different picture of Jose Mourinho, and if we give it a couple of seconds to animate, you can see that it actually does a really good job of making the photo or making the face in the photo move around and just do some simple animations. And if you're satisfied with this, then you can save it as a GIF or even save it as a video so you can send it to your friends or post it on your social media or anywhere else. All in all, I really love how easy and simple the app is to use. The interface is quite intuitive and it's not difficult or complicated in any way whatsoever. You have a lot of templates to choose from and they are updated very frequently. So whatever is trending or whatever shows or things like that, maybe events or holidays are fast approaching, will be added into the application for you to make your AI portraits or videos with those templates. The app is continually being updated and feedback on the Play Store or the App Store is greatly appreciated as well. So if you'd like to check out the HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer application, you can do that by checking your App Store or your Play Store or by checking the links in the description below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in any of the other videos that are on the screen right now. Peace.